Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a mouth-watering chicken tikka tandoori rice. Flavorful, colorful and absolutely delicious. Let's start the recipe. First take 1 cup basmati rice. Soak for 10 minutes. Basmati rice is aged for up to 2 years to achieve its unique aroma. And wash well. Now keep aside. In another bowl, take 1 cup chicken breast pieces. Add half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon coriander, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon tandoori masala, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix and marinate for 10 minutes. Tandoori masala originated in India and is famous for its smoky spicy flavor. Now heat 1 tablespoon oil. Cook the marinated chicken for 7 to 8 minutes. Chicken tikka is one of the most loved Indian dishes worldwide. Do not overcook the chicken. It should remain juicy. Keep aside. Now take 2 eggs. Add half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon chili powder. Mix well. Now add 1 tablespoon oil in a pan and scramble the egg. Set aside. Now boil some water, half teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon oil. Now add the soaked rice. Cook the rice until 90% done. Strain the rice and keep aside. Heat 3 tablespoon oil in a pan. 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 2 green chilies. Two tablespoon onion. 3 tablespoon carrot, 3 tablespoon red capsicum and 3 tablespoon green capsicum, half teaspoon pepper powder and half teaspoon salt. Saute for 1 minute. Now add boiled rice, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar. Fusion recipes like this bring together street food style and restaurant flavor. Finally add cooked chicken and scrambled egg. Stir fry on medium-high flame for that smoky restaurant style taste. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes and serve hot. Chicken breast is a lean source of protein perfect for muscle building. Basmati rice has a lower glycemic index than many other rice varieties. Eggs add essential vitamins and healthy fats. Vegetable boost fiber and add antioxidant for better digestion. Your delicious chicken tikka tandoori rice is ready, perfect for family dinners or weekend cravings. Try this recipe and let us know your favorite rice dish in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods for more easy and tasty recipes.